Can you make money on TikTok? Yes, you can. Lots of people are doing it and they're making big money. I'm not promising you will. I'm just saying it's a possibility. Since TikTok is the fastest growing social media platform as of this video, it would be lucrative for us marketers to be able to tap into that opportunity to be able to get some of that traffic, right? So we can make some money off that. You might be thinking, oh, it's all for kids, or it's all for, people who don't have any money or anything like that. But no, a lot of people are making money off it. So we'll talk a little bit about how we would go about doing that. Now there's several different ways to do it. You can do partnerships, you can do sponsorships, you can sell your own stuff. But today, we're going to be talking about a way where you don't need any money. Obviously, TikTok is a free platform to drive traffic. TikTok is a traffic driver, okay? What are we driving traffic to? You can do your own product, like I said, but in this particular video, what we're going to be talking about is promoting other people's products, otherwise known as affiliate marketing, okay? So we're going to take that traffic, we're going to point it to our offer. We're going to create an offer. If you don't know how to get offers, then I'll put a link in the description below on how you can start affiliate marketing, as well as for my website that has a lot of information on affiliate marketing, as well as hit the subscribe button here and get all the information and check out my playlist on affiliate marketing, okay, so that you'll get a background on how you do affiliate marketing. But in this particular video, we're going to be talking about TikTok, right? So TikTok is a free source where we can drive traffic to our affiliate offers. Now, why would we want to do affiliate marketing versus any other type of marketing? Now, other type of marketing you can do on TikTok, this affiliate marketing versus selling your own products, right? For me, I don't want to have inventory, right? I don't want to have to ship stuff, right? I don't want to have to do customer service. Someone, my size is wrong, or, my thing broke, or, it never came. I don't want to do any of that stuff. So the nutshell of affiliate marketing is just promoting other people's products. So all I want to do is take the traffic and point it to an affiliate offer and get a commission off everything that gets sold. That's it. I'm a lead generator, and you can make substantial money doing that. Now, I'm not promising anything. There's nothing guaranteed in life or anything. Most people on the internet trying to make money make zero, okay? So what can I tell you? But if you put in the work and the effort, then you can do it. How you make money on TikTok would be this. 3 simple steps, right? Number 1, you make good content. Make good content. 15 seconds, right? 15 seconds to a minute, right? Can you believe 15 seconds and you get leads, right? 15-second leads, all right? You drive traffic to your bio. You can't send them directly on the videos like on YouTube. It's different. YouTube, you can put in the description a link to your offer or whatever, but in TikTok, you only have one bio link, okay? So in the bio link, you either want to send them to the offer or send them to a landing page, okay? And we can talk all about landing pages later. But basically in your bio, you put the link to the offer. They click the offer. They buy whatever you're referring to them. And then you make money. Pretty simple, okay? Not too complicated. Now, step 3, if they buy something, you get paid. I mean, it's not really that complicated, but it's a simple process, but there are nuances to it. So if you want to learn more about that, I'll leave a link. 15-second free leads, okay, in the description below. It does cost money. It costs $1. All right, not a month, not a week, not a year. It's just $1 for the set of videos that explain how exactly all the intricacies, because we don't have time here to be talking about 4 or 5 hours worth of stuff, right? So recap of how you would make money on TikTok using affiliate marketing is find you an offer, okay? Make good content, drive your traffic to the offer, and get paid, right? Pretty simple. Leave a comment. Tell me how you would use TikTok to make money. Lots of people are, sponsorships, whatever, but leave me a comment. Give me a like if you like this content. I mean, this is pretty much a good way, or a newish way to have another traffic source to your particular offer, okay? And if you're new to affiliate marketing, I'll leave a link in the description below on how you can get started with affiliate marketing, okay? So like, comment, subscribe, do all the good things you do, and thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and keep hustling. Peace out.